You gon' bust it for the team, or what? Let my ass bitch on scene, for what? You gon' drop it to your knees, or what? Make it clap, make it...
Hey booze, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danyel, Anyssa. I do beauty, life, and more. And if you enjoy that, please subscribe, like this video, and don't forget to turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. So for today's video, guys, I'm gonna go get a pedicure. So you're gonna come with me to go get a pedicure. So this is my outfit. I'm wearing a Freddy shirt, some biker shorts, and some sandals. That's my lazy pedicure outfit because I have lazy pedicure outfit. So me and my mom are gonna go. We're gonna try a different place. So you're gonna come with me to go get a pedicure because it's time to go get a pedicure. Like, yeah. So I am so ready. All I did was put moisturizer on, and I'm ready to go. So I'm gonna take my bag, and I always take a jacket with me because you know I always get cold. So take my jacket that I've been loving so far. So I'll post little clips here and there. And yeah, guys, I love my shirt. Who are you going for, Freddie or Michael? Let me know down in the comments which you're going for. A lot of people were going for Freddie on my Instagram. I was like, dang, I don't know who I'm gonna go for. I don't know. I like both. Probably more Freddie because he's nice. I don't know, but yeah. So my hair is so straight this morning. I just brushed it. My skin has been looking good so far. Like, look at the light hit. Okay, guys, I'll see y'all there. Let me look at my skin breakfast. I'm waiting for my mom to open the door. Ratchet toes here. Ugh. Look at my niece made for my mom. How cute. But hey guys, I am starving. I hate how my phone camera, you can't just switch it. Oh, can you? No, you can't. So y'all can't see me right now. But looks so good. I'm gonna drink if I watch some Netflix. Hey boos, I am back from getting my toes done. I didn't get to film like showing y'all. I went to Dollar Tree real quick and I got a little nutcracker hanging Christmas decor for my room in the future when winter is here. So I got some things at Dollar Tree and we went to my grocery store real quick to go get creamer because we don't have no more creamer for our iced coffee. So yeah, that's all we did today, and I'm pretty pissed because when I went to the nail salon, I didn't know what color to pick, so we picked a color there, and I wanted to do brown, right? I was like, oh, it's a cute fall color because I've never done brown on my toes before. So I was like, oh, let me do brown. So I got this OPI color, and it said, here's Tony, I think. I don't know, don't quote me on that. But yeah, I got that color, and then my mom and I got that color though. So we got the color, we got done, and then we went outside, and I was looking at my toes. And why do they look purple? My toes look purple. I was like, in the packaging look brown, but in the sun they look purple, like a gumdrop, dark purple. I was like, so I looked it up online to see what was the color, and it showed brown. So I don't know if the polish was expired. So I was like, oh my god. So me and my mom have purple toes now, but it's okay. from far they look brown, but when you put them in sunlight, they look purple. So that was a little disappointment because we went to tired. And look, yesterday I took a bath, right? I want to relax and watch some videos while I was taking a bath, and I was gonna put on my Bath and Body Works candle because I ran out on my Harvest one. I don't know if y'all remember, if y'all saw it in my room tour. I got like this big orange one. I already ran out of that one. So then I put this old Bath and Body Works one I had in my closet, and I want to use the rest of it. So when I went to go fire it up, one side didn't work. I was like, and look at this. Look how much is left over. And like, really? So I'm kind of bummed. I really want to use all of it, but it smelled good. I got this cinnamon sugar donut. I got this like a while back, and I just forgot it was in my closet, so I wanted to use it up already. But I might go to Walmart and get me like a different scent. So this is like a downside about the Body Works because you don't get to use all of it because you get like an inch left. So that was like the downside. I don't have no candle in my room. Like, I was gonna have a candle in my room. I can't believe it. And I freaking saw one of the TikTok videos, and a girl. Okay, look at my outfit. I look at the dress. The shirt's pretty long on me, but it's off. But this girl. Oh my god, I saw a girl. She was like twerking, but she was twerking like inside. So just like no. I don't know, that was so funny. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please turn on your bell notifications to be notified every time I post a new video. And if you have any questions down below, leave it down in the comments or DM me on Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!